Okay, to write an equation in slope-intercept form for a line parallel to this line at this point, first I'm going to show you how to do it without the graph and then with the graph. So first, we want to identify the slope. Remember, y equals mx plus b, where m is a coefficient of x. So that's a -1. So I know the m equals -1. We don't need this because the line is going to cross at a different location. It's going to be parallel. What we do need is my x and y, because when I go into I have to find the y-intercept, I have to replace the b with something different because it's going to hit the y-axis somewhere else besides 6. So I'm going to write the formula down again. Y equals mx plus b. I'm going to replace y with 5, bring that down. M is -1 times x, -3, plus b. Okay, comma b. Well, go to menu 3.1. 5 equals -1 times -3 plus b, comma b. Okay, so my y-intercept is 2. Alright, let's get this back over here where you can see this. So b equals 2. Now when I write the equation, I need the m and the b. So y equals -x, or -1x, okay, plus 2. Now let's do this using the graph. Okay, so the line here is crossing at 6. To see this, put a point there at 6, and the slope is a -1. So to turn this into rise over run, I'm going to put -1 over 1. So if it's a whole number, I can put it over 1 to get me that run, get me that fraction. Alright, so I go ahead and put -1. That means I'm going to go down and to the right 1. Okay, down 1, right 1. That's going to continue that pattern all the way through. Okay, and go ahead and get you a line drawn. Okay, line this up. Alright, so there's my y equals -6. Y equals -x plus 6. That's this line. Alright, now let's plot this point at -3, 5. So with the origin, go over 3, up 5. Place a point right here. Alright, so when we have lines parallel, okay, slopes equal. Okay, so slopes are equal when you see parallel. Slopes are equal, so that means we use the same slope. My new line, okay, has the same slope, -1. I'm going to put that over 1 so I can do my rise and run, as just to remind you that I will do the same pattern: down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Now you could stop right there because there's the y-axis. Where did it hit? Okay, it hit at 2. Alright, let's get this drawn in. Okay, this is the line y equals negative x plus 2. Okay?